Some good news coming in for Delhiites is the Delhi government has begun a drive against potholes. Now, the initiative aims to fix the issue of potholes before the rains come in. Now, instant potholes repair technology will be used to rectify the infrastructural struggle. Let's listen into what Parvesh Verma had to say on this.
ये 3-4 साल से ये डिमांड थी यहाँ के लोगों की और ये पुलिया टूट गई थी, काफ़ी एक्सीडेंट भी यहाँ पे हुए, मगर क्यों नहीं काम हो पा रहा था। तो हमारी क्योंकि अभी सरकार बनी है, हमारे विधायक नीरज जी, हमारी एमपी साहिबा बांसुरी जी, जब इन्होंने इस तरफ ध्यान दिलाया तो हमने अधिकारियों को निर्देश दिए। वो टेंडर भी हो गया, पिछले महीने में आया था, हमारे साथ में बांसुरी जी भी थी, नीरज जी भी थे, सारे आरडब्ल्यू के लोग थे, तो अभी काम हो गया। हमने प्रॉमिस किया था अप्रैल में स्टार्ट कर देंगे। तो 7 करोड़ 30 लाख रुपए का काम है, 11 महीने में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। बहुत बड़ी राहत यहाँ के लोगों को मिलेगी।
The national capital, potholes is a recurring issue, and right ahead of the monsoon season it becomes an aggravated issue. And now we can see that the newly formed Delhi government with their political will has collaborated with the Central Road Research Institute, CRRI, and they have come up with this technology to fix the pothole without dewatering it. This is an environment friendly, sustainable solution technology to fix potholes in the national capital. The CRRI has implemented similar technology in neighboring states as well, be it Assam, Bangalore. They have implemented this technology, and now in the national capital it is too late, but better late than never. We are seeing the newly formed Delhi government has shown the political will to resolve the recurring issue of potholes. And about this technology that the Central Road Research Institute has come up with, it is called EcoFix, and this very equipment can solve the potholes issue here in the national capital. There are several areas around Delhi which is completely filled with potholes, and here we can see that the PWD minister is present here to overlook this live demonstration of this technology. And what makes this particular solution climate friendly, environment friendly, is that it does not require dewatering, and also it is used by the industrial waste. So it is essentially recycling material that is going to help in fixing these potholes. You can see the men, the PWD men, the laborers are, it's only 2 in number, and they can quickly, within a span of 10 to 15 minutes, can fix this pothole using this one equipment. And this technology is called EcoFix.